Okay, next one, algebra. In paper 1, usually you will have more algebra questions. 6x over 7 times 7 over 4. Then use your pencil to cancel. Your 7 and 7, 4 and 6, 3 and 2. So you end up with 3x over 2. Find angle EBC. This is the angle that we want to find. You see the letter F. So we've got corresponding angles. They are the same. No need for any extra steps. So angle EBC equals to 42 degrees. Corresponding angles, parallel lines. What happens if you do not write reason? Perhaps nothing happens and you get a 1 mark. It depends on the Cambridge marker. But what we have always taught Singaporean students is that you must write down the reason. If you don't write down the reason during your prelims, minus 1 mark. Hey, only 1 mark. 1 mark minus 1 mark, yeah, how many marks? 0 lor. But I will minus 1 for the overall paper lah. Okay, so if there are like 5 marks worth, I will only maximum minus 1 mark, provided I understand the rest of your working. That is the reason why I want you all to write the reason also. Because if you don't write reason, I cannot understand, then maybe I cannot give you mark also. Right on also same lah. Okay, next one, find x. So similarly, this is an example over here. Find x. X will be equals to 180 minus 50 minus 80. So that gives us 50 degrees. So in this case, never write reason. How? Minus 1 mark lor. The Z is alternate angles. Now, okay, so this is the situation over here. If you write reason here, good, you get 1 mark. You get 1 mark. But if you choose, let's say you forget to write this reason, then here you got write reason. Then this one, you get 1 mark, but overall minus 1. If both never write reason, 1 mark here, 1 mark here, but overall minus 1 also. You try lor. Maybe I set 1 question only, then your 1 mark becomes 0 already. Yeah lah. What if there's only 1 such question? Okay lor, up to you. I see another one. Angle Y. Y equals to 180 minus 65. Adjacent angles on a straight line. So this one will be 125 degrees. It's just a few words. Go and memorize them. Out of my control. Please write down the reasons. Yes. Oh yeah, sorry. Oh, this one worse. Correct reason, wrong answer. Also 0. Okay, solve the equation. So put down over 1. Over 1. Draw your arrows. What do the arrows represent? So I remember this one for me, the exam came out. Turns out you all know how to draw arrow, but don't know what it means. So let me remind you again. The arrows mean that we are multiplying 1 times 4x plus 2. 1, 4x plus 2. And this is the next part, equals to. Must write down the equal. Equal to what? 5 times 14. Only from here, then we expand 1 times 4x, 1 times 2, we get the same, 4x plus 2 equals to 70. Then you take away 2 on both sides, 4x equals to 68. Divide by 4 on both sides, 68 divided by 4, 1.7, I don't know. 17. Because my calculator is still in a scientific mode. they gave me in standard form. Okay, so x equals to 17. 17. Okay, draw the lines of symmetry. I think you can do this by yourself. Yeah. Order of rotational symmetry, I think you can do it also. Huh? A. Line of symmetry, one here, one here. Yeah? Like that. Diagonal, huh? Okay, question. Is this a line of symmetry? Why not? How to convince? Yeah, use paper. So you take this as a rectangle. Take this as a rectangle. If you go diagonally, end to end, what do you get? You get the same triangle? No, they don't overlap each other neatly. That's what's happening over here. So the other side also the same. Before, you're not going to get the exact same overlap. This diagonal only happens for a square, for a four-sided figure. So we change this to a square. Yeah, rectangle also four-sided, but it doesn't have four lines of symmetry. Okay, so here I have a square. When you have a square, the diagonal will be a line of symmetry also. See, it fits perfectly. Diagonal. Not just the diagonal, the horizontal also. The vertical as well. Okay, so square, four lines of symmetry. Rectangle, only two. Parallelogram. What about parallelogram? What about a parallelogram looking like this? How many lines of symmetry? How many? How many? One. Where's the one? You mean like this? Can visualize if you fold this way, will you get the same overlap? No, you won't. You go and try. You wouldn't. What about the other diagonal? What about this diagonal? Likewise, you wouldn't. Ziguan says we chop it down right in the middle, this way. What's slanted chop? What, like this? Follow the, oh, like that. Is it? Can me? You sure? Okay, watch. I'm going to now cover. You imagine that I cover the left hand side, okay? I'm not going to reflect the right hand side over. If I reflect this portion, I will get this. Right? You see that? When you reflect the right side over according to the dotted line, you're going to get this book-like shape. You're not going to get a perfect overlap. So cannot. Parallelogram has zero lines of symmetry. No lines of symmetry. Okay, next one. Problem sum, just a bit of understanding the question. Please don't be turned off by the number of words. So each of the first 50 contestants got a voucher. Wow, you take part. If you're the first 50, you get a voucher already, $70. Good deal. 3 winners receive cash and gift. First prize, of course, worth the most. Worth, total, worth. This will be 850. So these are the top 3 prizes given out the value. So each of the contestants, they only pay $10. Calculate the total loss. So total amount collected will be 2,000, yeah. So they only collected 2,000, and how much are they giving away? Total given away Okay, 50 people times $70 plus your 850, 550, and your 350. So you get the amount that is given away. Then the loss, total loss will be the value minus 2,000. 3250. Okay, so they are losing $3,250 just like that. Then why would they do such a thing? Attract more people to come, attract more people to spend, to promote their brand, whatever it is. Now, question 8, two different interest offers. The first interest is a simple interest. So you need to memorize the formula. Simple interest. Okay. INTREST. I equals to PRT over 100. We are going to use this. This one you have to memorize. This is not. It's okay. Not in formula list. So memorize. Yes. Got what? Is it? Which question? Okay, paper 2, then later we talk. We are still at paper 1. So the interest over here, I equals to how much? 5,000. The interest rate 2.5. The time 3 years over 100. Yeah, and we get the value of $375. This is the interest earned. Not bad. You put 3 years, you get extra 375 for free. But you lock up your money. Okay, now Caroline invests the same 5,000, but in offer number 2. Offer 2 says you get 7% of the sum invested. The sum invested is 5,000. 7% of 5,000 is $350. To be paid at the end of the investment. Okay, how the working over here will be 7 over 100 times 5,000. So 350. This is the interest earned in the second scenario. So which scenario better? Do you want 375 or do you want 350? Yeah, so the offer, who received more interest? Okay, Raymond. Yeah, Mr. Raymond Tan, MOND, by $25. Mr. Raymond Tan is my idol. I want to be like him. It's not just that lah. It's not just that. The botak eventually will come on. Hey, wow, you're very bad, eh? What? Almost there. Okay, now, next one. Question 9. Listen. Perpendicular bisector of the side AB. Should be familiar with it already, So draw the cockroach, and yeah, of course, I'm not using the actual tools. And you all know. Okay, this is not bad. It's not bad. But at least you all know the standards required. That is a good thing. To eventually be able to criticize the teacher's work is excellent. Very good. Freehand cannot in exam, Okay, next one. Bisect. Oh, wait, label. A part 1. Angle bisector ABC. Otherwise, how I know whether you know which is the angle bisector, which one is the perpendicular bisector? So draw an island, then draw your coconut leaf, and join. This will be your A part 2. And they said that the bisectors meet at point E. This will be our point E. Over here. Point E. So next one, measure right now the distance of DE. Go and measure from D all the way down to E. Hey, no more already. Answer is 4.2. Your answer key is wrong, Answer will be 4.2. Okay, question 10 is not in syllabus. This one confirmed already. Question 11, also not in syllabus. Not in syllabus. Yeah, whole question 11 not in syllabus. Question 12. This one is in syllabus, yes. How many more questions? Oh, this is the last one already. Okay, now the length AC of the ramp. We will see that it belongs to a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle, straight away must think of two things. Right angle triangle. Consider one, Pythagoras theorem. Second one, your TYS. It will be one of these two. You just have to figure it out. So the length of the ramp, we're going to be using Pythagoras. AC square, 12 square plus 2 square. AC square root 148. (12.2 meter). Find the value of x. So same thing, right angle triangle. We have our TYS, yeah. Opposite, adjacent. Tangent. So Kaiser, you memorized already how to spell? Tangent x. 2/12. Therefore, x will be tangent inverse 1/6. You write 2/12 also okay. 1 dp, 9.5 degrees. Why take 1 dp? You flip to the front page. You know what? You look at the next page. It says in your cover page. At the cover page, they say if the degree is not specified, A to TSS. Why it is degree, 1 dp. It is stated here already. You cannot tell the examiner, hey, but you don't say it must be 1 dp. What's written for you? It is standard. So next, find the area of triangle AB. What? Wow, 2 marks. It's a primary school question. Huh? Area half times 12 times 2. What? You get 6, 12 lah. 12 square meters. So next, find the volume. Volume 12 times the perpendicular height. 3 meters.